Continuing lovely Dreamtime music on WLDL with a popular success from last summer, It's Raining on Prom Night.